Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to the channel Blossom. Today we are going to see Sanatana Dharma. We all belonging to one family of the same tree. Part 4. If you like the video, press like, subscribe, share and press the bell button. We are now into part 4. We'll just have a recollect. The part 1 about the principles connected with Brahma, about Brahman existence, Brahman condition of state, Sat, Chit, Ananda, and Nirguna and Saguna, then 5 koshas. In part 2, we have seen details of 5 koshas, Brahman concept for Atman Suddhi. About Atman, then quality in of Jiva, Maya, Samsara and Karma. Then human cycle between Samsara, Avidya, Maya, Karma. Then balance between Jiva, Maya, Samsara, Karma, Avidya, and the reality between spiritual and physical. In part 3, we have seen we are in the junction, consciousness reference. Then fine-tune the gunas. Within the Brahman, 3 life force energy and quality in connecting 3 gunas and 4 principles connected to Brahman. Recognizing is a very important point. Aware the nature of reality. The nature of reality is divided into physical and spiritual. Maya tricks humans into belief that existence is only physical. Once spiritual aspect understood, then physical is a helping resource to reach moksha. Only one reality, and that is Brahman. Maya prevents understanding of this concept. We need to keep getting into spiritual practice to understand the physical and spiritual. Reason for this life, and it is said that many rebirths we have to take to become a human being. Now the matters most is consciousness. This consciousness will decide what are we going to be the next rebirth. Uplifting the energy plays a vital role to this Janma so that we get a better rebirth. Having a clarity on the consciousness, aware of the consciousness, knowing about the consciousness, plays a vital role, reason for this life. If we are not aware of the consciousness, in the next birth might be the lower level of the Janma. We understand it better, but we are not practicing, then the same lifestyle, the same understanding of the rebirth we will take. We understand more about it and we practice more about it and we uplift the energy according to Kala, then we will have a better rebirth. To have a better rebirth and to understand more about consciousness and to understand the goal in life is that to live with goal of maintain clear consciousness for a better rebirth or gained until liberation, moksha is achieved. Follow dharma, which is duties and customs. Follow dharma. Act in harmony with the laws of the universe. Follow kama with detachment. Pursue artha with detachment. Achieve moksha, which is liberation. Dharma means right contact. Behave yourself. Duty of your birth and your obligation or responsibility to society. Moral duty relating to karma in the stage of life. It gives order and harmony to the world and the universe. Deep drive in dharma when you are in samsara. Following your dharma well can help the Atman progress through samsara. Samsara is the apparent endless cycle of rebirth the Atman has to go through performing dharma, and developing karma can attain a better rebirth. A Sanatana dharma aims to achieve moksha and the end of samsara. Carrying out their dharma makes it possible to move towards moksha. Practice takes priority over belief and has more of an effect on dharma. Artha means a goal humans pursue in householder stage. Material wealth focused. Householder has to provide for family. Must be pursued within moral structure of dharma or can result in poor karma. It is all about the reflection of our inner world to the outer world. Be grateful and everything will be great. We'll meet again in my coming video.